everyone. We hope you're still having a great start to the new year. Although, the new year isn't quite so new anymore, is it, Ruby?
Not quite, Newt. We're in the thick of it now.
Hey, how's your resolution going?
What resolution?
To be less forgetful?
Oh, I don't know. I guess I forgot about it.
So, how was your weekend, Rubes?
Okay, so you know how I love The Great Puppet Bake Off? Okay, so I watched like 30 episodes in a row and then thought, I could do that.
Uh-oh.
I spent hours putting all the ingredients together, getting everything perfect, toiling away all afternoon. All I wanted was to make an exquisite 15-tier cake masterpiece.
Famous last words.
Is that too much to ask?
For someone who's never set foot in a kitchen? Probably, yeah.
I did everything right. The eggs were beaten. The layers were placed. All of the ingredients were used up. It took me 10 hours.
You know grocery stores sell cakes, right?
I just did one thing wrong.
What?
I baked it in the dishwasher.
Well, at least it was sanitized.
It tasted like crushed dreams. And soap.
Well, we better let Ruby take a minute. Let's toss it over to our good pal Ollie for the weather. What's in the skies today, friend?
Speaking of cake, it looks like there's a massive cake wave coming in from the Sweet Sea in the West Coast. You're gonna want to get your forks and your boards if you have them, dudes, because this is gonna be a tiramisu tsunami! Why didn't I learn how to swim?
And I thought my cake experience was bad.
We should probably check on him.
Right, yes. Of course we should. Jennybit, you can take it from here, can't you? Well, that wave sure was scary. Even the cake was in tears. Now on to some jokes. Let's keep this food thing going, shall we? What did one tongue say to the other tongue? We are taste buds. Get it? Taste buds like on a tongue and buds like friendship? Incredible. Okay, here's a good one. Why? Okay, stay with me. Why did the cheese go to school? To get graded. Just brilliant. Now let's get back to Ruby and Newton to check in on that tiramisu tsunami. Hopefully Ollie's not feeling too crummy.
Luckily, Ollie was just fine after the tiramisu tsunami. When we found him, he was totally eating that wave.
Well, you know what they say, Newton. Life's better with cake.
Unless you dishwash it. Now let's hear from Dr. Chaos. What's the word today, Doc?
Shh. We have to be very quiet, because right behind me, there is a very, very sleepy little snail.
OMG, so cute!
Shh. Did you know that snails can sleep for 3 years at a time? Now that's a lot of beauty rest.
So why are they so ugly?
Not the point, Ruby! Snails need moisture to survive. So if the weather is too hot or dry, they'll actually blanket their bodies in a layer of mucus.
A blanket of mucus? Ugh. Why not faux fur or something else soft?
The mucus isn't meant to feel soft, Ruby. It's meant to protect them against the dry weather.
So if the weather's dry, they can sleep for up to 3 years in their own mucus?
That's right. Snails are pretty cool. Right, Ruby?
Gross.
This episode was a real piece of cake, huh, Ruby?
That's right, Newton. Thanks for watching, friends.
We'll see you on the next one.